Hello my dear students. Today we will learn one of the most important chapters of your ICSE computer application, that is your array. As I told you earlier, there will be one 15-mark program question in your section B. Program 15 marks. There will be one or two output questions and MCQ questions also. That is 2 and here it will be 1. That means this chapter carries 18 marks. The students, without wasting any time, let us learn this chapter. And I assure you, after this class, this chapter array will be very easy for all of you to solve any kind of array related questions. Okay students, before starting this chapter, I want to ask you one question. If I ask you to store the mark of a student in 5 different subjects, what you would do? Tell me.
Sir, we have to take 5 different primitives or integer data type.
That means int mark 1 equal to 90,
int mark 2,
int mark 2 equals to 80,
mark 3,
int mark 3 equals to 92,
mark 4, 5.
int mark 4 equals to 99, and int mark 5 is equals to 98. Okay students, for 5 different marks this is all right maybe, but if I would ask you to store 100 marks, suppose I would ask you to store the marks of 50 students or total of 100 students mark, then how can you do it?
It's very lengthy.
It would be very lengthy and it would be one confusing task. We also cannot identify that which variable has been taken to store which values. That would be very confusing task for all of us. But instead of these primitives, if there will be one variable which can store all these elements under the control of a single variable and with different indices, would not be a good task for you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us see how to store these multiple values of similar types under the control of a single variable. That is the main purpose of your array. Suppose you want to store integer values and you have 50 values of integer type. That time you can use this array. Suppose you have character values, you have 50 elements. That time also you can use this array. And suppose you have even string values like your, suppose ABC, ABD, like these values, you have the name of 50 students. You can also use an array to store this. That means students, did you get the main purpose of array? Why should we use this array?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, why should we use an array?
For the collection of same data types, more.
When we want to deal with multiple values of similar type and we want to store all these values under the control of a single variable, that time an array is a very good choice. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let us see how it appears in the computers. It's the imaginary figure of an array, how it appears in the memory. Suppose this one is your array. Once we create one array, some contiguous memory locations are created inside the memory like this.
Yes, sir.
And the index of array always begins with 0. Since the index begins with 0, the length of the array, count the length 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the length of the array?
5.
5. And you see the extreme index always becomes length minus 1.
Sir, length means the number of boxes.
Yes, very good. Length means the number of boxes. Means length says or length defines how many elements can be stored inside this particular array. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Suppose the length of the array is 5. That means we can store how many elements? 5 elements into it. Suppose the length is 10. That means we can store
10 elements.
10 elements into the array.
Yes, sir.
This is the role of your length.
Sir, you said the contiguous memory location. What is the meaning of contiguous?
Contiguous means the adjacent cells. Adjacent means, you know what is adjacent? Nearby. Nearby.
Next.
These are the contiguous memory locations. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the array looks like this, and suppose the name is A. Now the array variable is A. The array variable is A, and this A refers to all these locations: A0, A1, A2, A3, and A4. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us see how we will write this. How we will create one array by writing our Java programs through BlueJ. Let us write the program to create and initialize one array. Okay, first what you are writing? Import java.util.star or import java.io buffer reader also, whatever you can write. Then what you are writing? The class name you write, class ABC. Then public static void main and string args. Afterwards we will create the array. Here you take your scanner class. Scanner, tell me. Scanner SC equal to
New scanner system.in.
Yes, system.in. Very good. And after this you create your array. Int a square brace is equals to new, again int, and here 10. This is your array declaration. Got it?
Yes, sir.
This array is of which type?
Yes, sir.
Integer type. The name of the array is
A.
And how many elements can be stored into it?
Sir, 10.
That means this array A is going to store 10 integer elements inside it. Clear?
Sir, can we write the square brace before A?
Yes, that can be interchanged. You can write this square brace A, it's correct, and A square brace, that is also correct. There is no problem. This square brace can be interchanged. Alright.
Yes.
Now after writing this array, we need to store 10 elements into it, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How to store? We can store like this: A0 equals to 5, A1 equals to 10. This is one way to store all the elements. But if you store in this way, it will be a boring task for us, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
How to store without writing all the index values? How to store without taking all the index value one by one? Is there any solution for this?
Sir, loop.
Yes, loop is a better choice. How to use the loop here? After creating the array, ask the user to enter the elements. To enter the elements. Students, this is called what? Do you know what is this called? This line?
Sir,
This line is called
user
prompting. This is called
user prompting.
user prompting. Prompting means to direct, to guide. That means through this line, we are directing the user to enter values.
Yes, sir.
That is why this statement is called your user
Prompting.
prompting. Yes. After giving this user prompt, enter the elements, we will take one what? Loop, which begins from 0, goes up to, tell me, a dot length, and I plus plus. Then you can write AI is equal to SC dot next int. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
That means this loop will be repeated for how many times? 10 times.
10 times.
And why? What is this? This length is the statement. It's not a method, it's a statement. And this statement says us the length of the array. This statement determines the length of the array. Now the length of the array is 10 and less than 10 means 9.
9.
This loop will be repeated for starting from
0 to 9.
0 to 9. That means A0, A1, A2 up to A9. Once this loop will be completed, all the compartments or all the boxes of the array will be definitely filled with the values,
Yes,
isn't
sir.
it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, means the I is the index of the array.
Yes, I defines the index of the array. Because you see, this suppose A is the array. What would be the index of this array? A0, then
A1.
A1 up to
9.
your A9. And you see, this loop also doing the same task. It begins from 0 and it goes up to
9.
9. Now got it clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This was the way to store elements into your array. Okay, students. Is it clear, students, how to store elements into your array?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Another type of array initialization is also there. You can write INTA square brace is equal to, here you can write your elements 2, 5, 7, 9, 10. This is another way to declare array and simultaneously initializing the array. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose in this A0 is, tell me A0 plus A1. What will be the value of this A0 and A1?
Sir, 2 plus 5.
Yes, 2 plus 5, that is 7. Very good. Okay, students, some other concepts I forgot to teach you. Suppose the array is like this. This array has how many boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose the user tries to access A6. What happens?
Sir, there is no 6th number.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Is there any 6th index?
No, sir.
No. Suppose the user tries to access this 6th index. What happens?
Out of bound exception.
Yes. This will lead to out of bound exception. Clear? What is out of bound exception?
Yes, sir.
What is out of bound exception? When the programmer or when the user tries to access any index means suppose any negative value -1, it always leads to array out of bound exception. There is no negative index in array, and any index equal to or beyond the array length. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any negative index or any index that is equals to or beyond the array length, that will lead to array out of bound exception. Clear? What is array out of bound exception? Is it clear completely?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this was your array dimension. This was your array dimension, which determines the size of the array. Okay, students. Now let us write one array program which will store the value of the mark of a student in 10 different subjects, and then it prints the total mark and the average mark. Got it?
Yes, sir.
The question is, write a program to store the mark of a student in 10 different subjects, then add all the marks together, print the total mark and the average mark. Got the question?
Yes, sir.
Let us solve this question. First, we need to write import. Tell me, import java dot
util dot star.
util dot star. Then
Class name.
Then curly brace.
Public static void main.
Public static void main. Then
String arg.
string args. Okay. Then we need to get the sum of these marks. We
Yes.
need one accumulator variable, that is int sum equals to 0.
Sir, what is accumulator?
Accumulator means that stores all the values together. Continuously it stores all the sum of this number, your marks. Such variables are called your accumulator variables. And then what to do?
Sir,
Take one mark.
example.
Take sorry.
The accumulator example, what is stores how?
Okay. Suppose you take a loop here. Suppose a equals to 0. Take one loop here. For int I equals to 1, I less than equals to 10, I plus plus. Here you will write a equals to a plus I. What happens here? See here. A begins with 0. A equals to a plus I means first a equals to 0 plus
1.
that is
1.
a stores 1. Afterwards a equals to 1 plus
2.
a stores.
3.
Then a equals to 3 plus
4.
Mhm.
3.
that is
6.
got it now.
Yes, sir.
Finally a stores how much?
The total sum.
55, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
If we will add 1 to 10 we will get 55. Okay, and in this statements you see this I is a variable, a is a variable.
Yes, sir.
This I is called counter variable and a is called your accumulator variable. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now is it clear what is the role of counter and what is the role of accumulator? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us see how to write the logic. Take sum equals to 0, then you create your array int mark, you write here int mark square brace, how many mark, how many subjects?
10.
10. int mark equals to new int 10 you write here. After creating the array, what we need to take? One loop, I think.
Yes, sir.
int I equals to 0, I less than
A dot line.
mark dot length.
Oh, yes, sir.
Mark dot length, then I plus plus. Now what to do? Mark at I is equals to sc dot
Next.
next int. Yes, good. And students, in between here you should write one user prompting sop what? Enter what? The marks. Enter the marks you write here. In between these two statements you write one user prompting. And after getting the marks of 10 students, we need what? We need to add all these marks, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
To add all these marks, you take another loop like say int j equals to 0, j less than mark
Mark.
dot length
J plus plus.
j plus plus, and here you add all the marks. You add sum is equals to sum plus
Mark.
mark
Sir, J.
mark j, mark at j. Once this loop will be completed, this sum will store the sum of all the individual marks, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now to get the average, you divide this sum, double average is equals to sum divided by mark dot length, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Mark dot length. Now you got sum in this variable, inside the variable sum, and average inside the variable a, b, g. Finally you print these two values. So print
Sum.
the sum is plus
Sum.
sum, and SOP print what? The average is plus
Average.
a, b, g. Got it? Now close this curly braces. This program is completed. Was it easy or difficult?
Very easy.
Very easy.
Yes, sir.
Now you can create array.
Sir, which one is the array declaration in here?
Sorry,
Sir, which one is the array declaration?
this one is your array declaration. Int mark is equals to new int 10. This is your array declaration.
Sir, array initialization?
Initialization means to store values into one variable. Where we have stored the values? Here we have stored the values.
Yes, sir.
We have taken the loop to initialize the whole array.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Sir, why in the SOP we write the sum is plus sum?
Okay, why this plus I have used here?
Yes, sir.
This plus is not a numerical plus. This works as a, do you know there is a word concatenation? Do you know this concatenation?
No, sir.
Have you heard it?
No.
This means join. This means join. To join or to add. We are trying to add this. Sum means sum is a variable.
Yes, sir.
What type of variable it is? Int type of variable. It stores the sum of all the marks.
Yes, sir.
And this one is a statement, English statement.
Yes, sir.
The sum is an English statement. And this sum holds the value of this total sum.
Integer.
Good. And this plus works as a connector, you can say, or concatenation operator, or join these two things. And the output will be like this. The sum is suppose 800 or whatever, 900, whatever is that.
Sir, so this is not an arithmetic operator?
No. This is not an arithmetic operator. This is a concatenation or joining or add operator. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now let us solve another program. Are you getting bored?
No, sir.
Okay. Another program we will cover in this session, that is your linear searching program. Very easy. And this linear search program also, this kind of programs are coming in a board examination. Let us solve one linear search programming. Search means what, do you know? Can you define the meaning of search?
Sir, to find an element which we desire to find in the array.
Yes. To find out a particular element from a group of elements.
Yes, sir.
Okay. To perform this search, we need to have a group of elements and one single element.
Yes,
then
sir.
only we can perform this search task. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then tell me the algorithm first. First you write
Import java.util.star.
import java.util.star. Then your class name. Tell me what to write. Then
ABCD.
your class name. Then
Public static void main ARGS.
public static void main
String ARGS.
string ARGS. Then square brace. Then
Sir, a variable.
okay.
Int p.
int
P.
why p?
Sir, anything we can take.
To test the condition.
Yes, sir.
Check the condition.
Yes, sir.
Okay. First we need to create the array. Create one array. Int a square brace is equal to new int. Suppose 10 elements. Then what to do?
Scanners.
We need SE means the search element.
Yes, sir.
We need one variable that will track the search element.
Yes, sir.
We need two integer variables. One is SE and another one is P. Then you create your scanner class. Scanner SC equals to new scanner system.a. I am not writing all the syntax.
Yes, sir.
You know this very well. Okay. You are the good students. You know this syntax very well.
Yes, sir.
Good. Then afterwards, user prompting SOP.
Enter the elements.
Enter the elements. Enter the elements. First we created the array. Then we stored the elements into it by using
Loop. For loop.
very good. I equals to 0. I less than
A dot length.
a dot length
I plus plus.
and I plus plus. Then ai is equal to
SC dot next line.
sc dot
Next int.
next int. Yes. Now we store the elements into the array A.
Yes, sir.
Now what is our duty now?
Have to search.
No, we need to ask the user for the search element.
Yes, sir.
We don't have the search element with us. Now ask the user to enter the element. How to ask? Again use one SO prompt, means user prompting.
User prompting.
Enter, what to write here?
Enter the
element
to be searched.
Very good. Enter the element to be searched. To be searched. How to store it? S equals to SC
Dot next int.
Very good. Dot next int. Now you have both of them. You have the whole array with that is filled with elements, and you have the individual element.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, first you note it down, then I will write the next logic. Did you write it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me drop this. Now you have the whole array and you have the individual element. Okay. Now you have both group of elements as well as the individual element. Now take another for loop. For int j equals to 0, j less than, tell me
A dot length.
a dot length and j
Plus plus.
plus plus j plus plus. If a at
J.
j or I,
Sir, J.
very good. A j double equals to
SC.
se, p equals to or double equals to.
Sir, equals to.
Why? Why it is equals to? Okay. Then if p double equal to dash so print element is present. Tell me.
Sir, 1.
Element is present. What to write here?
Sir,
P double
1.
equals to
1.
else
Element is not present.
so print element
Is not present.
is not present. Yes, very good. Can you elaborate this code?
Sir, which one?
Yes.
Sir, which one?
Why I have written this if a j double equals to sc p equals to 1?
Sir, the A at J brings us the element of the array from 1 index 0
Zero
up to 9.
9, yes. And whenever it gets a match, p becomes 1.
1.
If there will be match only, p becomes 1. And afterwards, what I wrote here, if p double equals 1 means there must be a matching.
Yes, sir.
P double equals to 1 means element is present, otherwise element is not present.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
This was all about your linear search. Students, I expect the basics of array is clear to all of you. And in my next class, I will come with some more array programs like your searching, binary search, sorting, selection search, and your bubble search, and double dimensional array. And students, after all these array classes, you are not going, I expect that you will not lose a single mark in this array session. Thank you very much, students. We will meet once again very shortly. And students, before leaving, I would suggest you, if you have any doubt in this computer application, you can comment to me, you can write your questions in my comment box. Thank you very much, students.